Hebei Pusheng Alloy Technology Company Limited was established in 2015. The enterprise has an efficient management team, adhering to the concept of more for more work, distribution according to work, equity incentive, and common prosperity. The enterprise has a corporate culture of building an enterprise is a platform, and employees realize value. Specializes in the production of stainless steel strip, hose clamp, steel midsole, pipe clamp, and screw for more than 8 years. It has the development model of the whole industrial chain. Many others' factory buy it from ours. We have a larger production capacity. The annual production is 10 or more times larger than other factories. Now the supply scope can reach all over the country and the world, such as Hebei, Shandong, Henan, Zhejiang, Guangdong, Turkey, Russia, the United States, Iran, Kazakhstan, and other places. With the domestic famous kitchenware manufacturers and electrical appliances supply chain manufacturers to maintain long-term cooperation. It has been extended from cold rolling processing of steel strips to downstream products. The surface color, length, thickness, and size of the product can be customized according to your needs. With excellent materials, advanced equipment, independent R&D team, precise dimensions, and considerate service to ensure you smoothly runs at high speed. Adhere to scientific and technological innovation. Constantly introduce new technology, new talents. Brave to do the new era of industry leader. We will always be your trustworthy friend.